Lose yourself in the moment, you don't know it.
You know,
Never let it go.
That's not right, but it could be so much more wrong.
Did you watch the Kylie and Jordan video that they made together? Ugh, we're so Kylie and Jordan. We really are. We're just like equally as hip.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Break. Today we are going to try the Kylie birthday collection.
Kylie, girl, happy birthday. Thank you so much for having us at your pop-up shop.
I thought you were gonna say party. I was like, that didn't happen.
Well, I mean, close enough. We were at our pop-up for the first time in the history books. We made it into a pop-up.
We've only tried to go into two and didn't make it into the first, made it into this one. But Kylie is finally turning 21, even though she's like a billionaire with an entire cosmetics empire.
Just like us, we have so much in common.
Anyway, we bought all the stuff.
And the sweatshirts. Don't we look cutesy? Girl, damn.
Roll the title card. Psst. Before we start, can you guys subscribe and hit the bell?
Please do.
Thank
you guys are
you.
gonna love this video and you're gonna want more.
You might remember that we tried to go to the Kim pop-up, which was like just like a couple months ago.
So dark.
We've been here over an hour and a half.
We waited in line.
2 hours.
And then we ultimately had to leave.
Line is still so much longer. We just waited in line for 2 hours for nothing.
I gotta get out of here.
I'm done. I hate everything. Never got in.
Silver lining. Remember what we were wearing?
Yes.
We were dressed as Kim Kardashian.
This time, we planned ahead, and by we, I mean Bridget, and actually we didn't plan ahead. Jill actually found out the pop-up was happening the night before, sent Bridget that morning. Bridget got in line at 8:30. We got there at like 9:50.
We got there as quick. We got there as quickly as we could.
As quickly
as we could. So we made it. Bridget has been here waiting in our place.
Waiting patiently. The list with everything that's available, including the birthday collection, which is not available online yet, so hopefully we can grab everything while we're in there.
Jill said we were cleared to spend $4,000.
Great.
She was totally serious.
All right, people are coming out. That means we get to go in.
Oh my god, we're finally at the front.
Oh my gosh, do we get to go in now?
I don't know. Oh my god, it's happening.
We're finally getting in.
Everything, right? It's like my college experience on a wall.
We got our loot.
We're free.
We made it. We finally made it.
2 hours later.
We literally bought, I mean, almost everything.
We have a nice bag.
That's so cute. I love her. She's adorable.
It's cute.
I mean, can you imagine? It is kind of weird. Can you imagine if like people were carrying around a makeup bag with your face on it?
I mean, I don't usually want makeup bags with like people on. Or
no, it is weird. Who would you carry one with a face on? Like Katy Perry? Even then, that's kind of weird.
Probably not, though.
No.
We were commenting off camera earlier that it's cute because it's like she knows what real 21-year-olds are doing. But like, do you think Kylie uses red cups? Because I don't.
Maybe she does. Maybe she recycles them.
Does she even drink?
I don't really think she actually drinks very much at all. But inside of the pop-up, they had like this cute almost art exhibit, which we almost ruined. So sorry.
By we, she means her. She
I mean
backed into
myself.
it, knocked off one of the cups that were glued to the wall. So let's start with the birthday lip kit trio.
Ooh. I've seen this orange color. I think Candy Johnson was using it.
I feel like just orange in general seems to be a very popular color these days, and I don't think it looks good on us.
But it's fun. It's like a fun summer color.
It looks better on people with darker skin because it's a little more of a contrast.
Disagree. Look at, she's wearing a very orangey color and same hair color as you. Try it on.
That's true.
What's your color called?
So this is the after party.
Cute. And mine is called Shots. This is more, ooh, look at that wand.
Oh, that's different than, is it
broken?
Oh.
So one is a glitter gloss. One, and the
so I
other
think
two
it's
are
just a
matte
different
lipstick. So I
thing.
think this is just meant to be like this.
Different applicator.
Because remember her other glosses? The one I have is called Like. Oh, Lil, that is a bold color.
It is. When do you need lip liner? Like, why does it come? Doesn't it come with some of them?
It comes with some of them if you get a lip kit. Like probably this one, 21, I would assume. Looks like it would come with, yeah, this comes with a liquid matte lipstick and a liner. This one is called Victoria. Who's Victoria? Do you guys know who Victoria is?
Comment below if you know who Victoria
Maybe
is.
Victoria Beckham and her friends. Who knows?
I don't think so.
Ew. I think this is a fun look for you. You know you look cute with like French braids.
It looks more red than I would have assumed.
I thought
feel
it
like
was
it looks
gonna
more
be
orange.
more
in here.
orange.
Okay, well, I mean, not my favorite color for me, but
This might be good on you. Victoria.
It does look good on her now that you say that. I'm like, but she can literally wear any color lips and any color everything.
She does have a good face for makeup.
I do like the packaging of this, that it has her name written on some of the cups.
It's really cute. All this packaging is top notch.
I really don't think she drinks it all though, so I do think it's funny.
I don't think she does either.
Ooh,
this is
really,
the ooh, that's fun. This is gonna be a good color for you, I think.
So I do like the color, but it makes me upset that the packaging is like not the color. It's like very pink, but then
well,
like,
it's good though because if it was the same
like
color, it
those
would be
pinks don't
weird. Okay, so this is a pretty bright color, but it doesn't scare me as much as I thought it would. And this liner is a little darker, I think, than the matte lipstick.
I slightly overline them so I can have Kylie style lips. Actually though, did you hear that she got her injections taken out?
Yeah, she stopped doing it.
Does it just like wear off? And okay.
Yeah. I don't think
do
she
they
got
like suck it out?
No.
Yeah, it feels like a very different color than the liner.
But it looks really cute. And you have like good lips for like product because yours have a lot more like real estate than mine. Do you like it? I love it.
I've never been a fan of pink or red lipstick for me. Pink and red in general, not my favorite colors. Okay guys, so right now it is the 4th. These actually come out the 6th, unless you want to go to the pop-up, which is open right now at the Century City Mall in Los
It's like
Angeles.
a preview.
If you can't get your hands on those, you might have noticed that there is a new Instagram filter. Let me do a screen record so you guys can see. Why do you have your hood on?
Because it feels really cozy on my ears, you know? Say no more, Posy K.
I love that.
Who's Posy K?
It's like working on yours, but
Ooh,
like
that's pretty.
I feel like the actual color is seeping out the side, so it looks like you've just kind of been like, you have really chapped lips. Ooh, I kind of like the blue.
We've done the blue before, her
I
blue
know.
lip kit, and it was really awesome.
Does it look like a butthole?
It looks like a good butthole.
A very decorative butthole.
Ooh.
Your lips don't look so small in this. Why are you being so weird?
Because that's all I know how to do.
It's true.
Anyways,
Okay,
this
well,
is
that's
really,
enough.
really
There's a
fun.
filter. This is the lipstick collection.
Oh,
so
dang.
these are smaller, and look at, there's a bunch of little Kylies.
She looks like she's having her Marilyn Monroe moment, you know?
She does look a lot like Marilyn Monroe.
Wait, have we ever tried her lipsticks?
I didn't even know she had lipsticks, to be honest.
Only the liquid matte lipstick.
Which one do you want? We have Rumor, Rager, August, Glam, Birthday Behavior,
Rumor.
or Flirtini.
Rumor.
Flirtini. I hate it, but I love it so much too. I'm gonna use that, I think.
Rumor, because on Rumor Patrol, which is a show that I host on Clevver News, which is about like the stupidest rumors of the week, the amount of rumors that Kylie Jenner has to deal with about herself are so stupid. Like, she must just sit at home and laugh.
I genuinely had no idea she had lipsticks. Never seen this packaging before.
I feel like
Is this a
could
new
be
thing?
new.
Did they exist before?
Never
We think
seen
it's
one.
new, but we are not real beauty gurus, so we don't know.
Ooh, they're all different colors. Look, this one's yellow.
Oh, I thought you meant the lipsticks.
No.
I was like, I don't think they put 5 of the same ones in there.
So, oh, damn.
That is dark.
Do you see that detail?
Oh, it has like a
Little
it's
stamp.
Kylie stamped into it. This looks nice. And I take back, I didn't say it out loud, but I did think that this looked kind of cheap. But after you take the top off, I don't agree.
And it's fun. Like, I love that she's having fun even with the packaging. This like reminds me of my mom though so much, putting on lipstick, and she'd be like,
I thought you meant that color. I was like, I don't think Judy has worn dark lipstick.
my mom only
Ever
wears
in her
2
life.
colors,
It's
like
like
mauve and dark
Yeah.
mauve.
This is Rager. What do we think Rager is gonna be? Ooh, the insect.
Red, maybe? Oh, I was sort of right. That's cool.
I think that that's probably like similar to, it has an orange tint, but on it probably looks really red. August. What do you predict?
Pink. Ooh,
Like a
me
nude
gusta
pink
that.
Almost. I like that a lot. Birthday Behavior.
That's pretty. It's like a red pink sort of color. This is good.
Ooh. It's pink.
As good as mine's gonna get. I'm not very good at lipstick. It's really hard. Yeah.
I
do
like
that.
the one you did, but I don't really
It
want
would look good on you. Oh yeah, Lil, let me help you. Because it's hard to put on lipstick. You always need a friend. Kylie and Jordan support each other in everything.
The only
took up 1/4 of a lip.
the only
I
thing
don't
more
know.
awkward than me doing my own lips is having someone else do it, because I never know how to hold my lips, and I'm just like,
Do you know what we should get? You know those things at the dentist that they use to hold your mouth
Like a
open?
bite
We
plug.
should get a butt plug? What did you say?
I said a bite block.
You said butt plug.
You said butt
I don't
plug.
even know what a butt plug looks like. Anyways, let's put on some lipstick on you. It's like very dense. It's not gonna come off at all.
Great.
Also a
Great.
You look good. If I say so myself.
Just fucking give it to me.
Dang, I look stupid. Okay. That looks awesome.
I want a friend like Joslyn. She's so positive. The positivity
look good,
loses its allure when she's positive about everything. You never know what's actually...
No, I would tell you
I
if you
like
looked
that a
really
lot, actually.
stupid. Is it, do you mean it, or are you just like being positive?
When have I ever lied about being positive?
Are we done with all the lipsticks?
Those are
No. There's miniatures. How effing
I don't think my
cute.
lips can handle anymore.
So this is what I would buy if I
good
was
gift.
really buying it.
Well, I feel like, especially because a lot of them are like kind of crazy colors, that you wouldn't wear them like every single day, so you wouldn't need a big one.
And these are some of the colors that are in the Red Cup package.
Okay.
Victoria's in here, Boss, Rad, Say No
Who is
More.
Victoria? She's very popular. This is the birthday pressed powder palette.
Oh, it's 21 colors? Aw, that's rad.
That's
Do you have any-
really pink.
Victoria is Kylie's assistant.
Oh!
Victoria is Kylie's assistant. If you missed that off-camera info nugget from Jill.
Okay, close your eyes.
Look like this.
All right, so it is like a pink theme for the birthday, so I'm gonna go with this color. Honestly, this goes on really well.
More
We're gonna
pink.
add some glitter on
Love.
top.
Oh my god.
Okay, the other eye, I think we should try something different. Yeah, this is a little more sheer. The pink, wow, very pigmented. It looks pretty good though. I mean, if that's what you're going for.
I do. It's Harley Quinn. I've never seen the movie
Oh, you
either,
do look
but
like
but I know
Harley
what you're talking about.
Quinn.
12 seconds later.
What's the?
She like goes like,
It's it's like a biting tongue situation.
Remember, because
you look like a Raggedy Ann that went to a rave. And you're gonna look even better once you put on the Get Lit Kylie Jenner pressed highlighter.
Definitely not lit enough. Yet.
And this is called Champagne Showers. Ooh.
Ooh, that's really pretty actually.
I'll put it on this cheek. Ooh, I like it.
I rarely meet a highlighter I don't love.
Same.
They-
We should finish it off with one of the minis because like we haven't tried these. I'm gonna put on,
That's so.
this
pink.
is called Say No More Velvet. Perfect for like a clutch when you're out though.
If it wasn't pink. Despite what my face might look like, I do think that these products are great. I am not super into a lot of the bright colors, but I think they're perfect for people that do like that.
And she makes such a wide range and she does have really, really good nude color options because that's what I normally wear.
Yeah, I mean, even honestly, the only weird colors here, just not even, those are all, the lipsticks are all very normal. The eyeshadows are really cool. I'm a big fan of all of it.
Me too, and it was fun trying the lipsticks because we haven't tried those before, right?
Yeah. Happy birthday, Kylie, because we know you're totally watching this.
Honestly, Kylie, girl, I feel like you have watched some of our videos. I really do.
And then hates us.
The quality is amazing. Happy birthday. And you're invited on our show anytime you want to come. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
Hope you enjoyed that video. I know I really probably enjoyed filming it because I love working with Joslyn like this all the time. Anyway, click right over here because we have another video that you should watch. I don't really know what's going on, but please subscribe so this feels worth it. Please.
You look so beautiful.
Hair in my mouth.
Isn't she pretty? Have you clicked yet?
Please just do it.
Oh, wow. This